The trick to this van life vlogging thing is that you have to have an attractive woman with you. And make sure to get plenty of shots of her butt in bikinis. And then use them as your thumbnail. And people will fucking click. So, on this video...
I'm gonna do that, actually.
On this video, we're gonna try it just to see if it works. So, I guess I might put this shot right in the beginning to get everyone who sees this, but, how'd you like that booty pic in the thumbnail? I had all kinds of things I knew I was gonna say, but now I don't know what the fuck to say. So, we're gonna do some fucking, we just got done uploading our last video.
At the McDonald's.
At the McDonald's. It is hot as hell in Florida, so I bought a tank top last night. The van smells awful, so we gotta do some laundry and clean out the van today. So we're gonna do all the boring stuff, but I figured we'd vlog it so that you know all the boring stuff that we do too. And today we're gonna get Gabi more camera time. Because you're gonna become the personality for our channel.
Definitely not.
You're the pretty one, you have to.
Tanda panguradan tunjukkanlah kesaktian Mosulaya Mosula Dongang Kasa.
Looks like the place that we might be going to do our laundry has Wi-Fi, so that's cute. That's cute.
You can't whisper. You can't
oh, where we're going to do laundry, they have free Wi-Fi. I'm putting my window down too. They're open late. They have drop-off service, giant washers. Boy, it's about to be fucking crazy up in this laundromat. Stop being fake.
We just uploaded our second video to our channel, and we titled it. Fuck, what did we title it?
I don't even know, man.
I promise we'll get better at these eventually, I think. So, she heard me yelling.
Good.
I'm just yelling for a camera. I'm not yelling at my wife. So today we're gonna try to have like an actual storyline to it. We're gonna do some of the boring shit about van life, but I'm sure people want to see the stuff that isn't as exciting sometimes. We might do something exciting. I don't know. I don't know this town yet. But yeah, so we're gonna try and make these more not just me throwing together random footage with stolen licensed songs that I'm hoping that I don't get copyright claims for.
That'd be shitty.
So yeah, we'll try to do something a little more professional today by doing laundry and cleaning our van for you, and you get to watch us do that.
Looks like shit right now. I'm not even gonna show that shit. I'm just gonna.
What?
Oh, you said clean our van. I was like, I'm not even gonna turn that camera that way.
No, turn it that way. They gotta see. That's how nasty the van is right now.
It's slum.
And it stinks.
It smells like arse.
So yeah, we're gonna clean it up. Oh yeah. Also, my door lock broke the other day. So I can't open it for fear that it won't ever lock again. Because I finally got it locked. So I have to crawl out the back every damn time.
Thicky thick.
Which is loads of fucking fun.
Getting my laundries and my vans together with my mans.
Alright, we're at a park. Let's see if we get that name in there. Yeah! Alright, so we just did our laundry. We're chilling at the park. And we're about to clean this messy ass van. So I guess I'll just show you how awfully dirty it is, so that you can see that all the pictures you see on Instagram and shit, that's not how it looks. It gets trashed. So here's We got the spice rack that fell off the wall the other day.
Not the other day. That was when we first got our travels.
Yeah, but then I fixed it and it fell off. See, that's where it was. We've got bread here, and then we've.
Our prodigy friend.
What are these things called?
Fabric softeners.
Fabric softeners thrown into the dish thing because it's just trashed.
We got this coffee from a hotel place because, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
We got condiments there. So yeah, it's a absolute mess. We got laundry stuff here, everything thrown in the back there. We got some paper towels stuck up here because it started leaking there the other day.
Got to take it off.
And so yeah, so that's something that happens.
Take 2. So we just finished cleaning the van. We're hot as fuck. But it is bonito right now. B-N right now. But yeah. Bonito. Which one?
Alright, so we threw the shoes up here in the spice rack. See? So that's a fucking mess. We got that shit kind of sorted out. Got our little sauces in here. Someone's pulling out next to me. And our bed's cleaned up.
Hello Kitty's looking cute as fuck.
Hello Kitty's looking cute here in the sun.
Bowling.
We got our dirty dishes right there. We're gonna wash those later. There's my piss jug. I had to cut last time because I accidentally showed it, but now I'm just gonna show it.
Okay,
That's part of it.
You know, we sit in our bucket now on the floor.
And here's the beautiful park that we're at right now. We're probably gonna go for a little walk through here.
Maybe people should know how we even travel in the first place. It started out normal. We were chilling in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Wasn't doing shit. AJ was working at fucking Popeyes for a little bit, did his thing there, saved his money with that shit. Then we got our taxes back. I sell porn, well, our porn. So that's how we were making it now. But anywho, we had saved our taxes and part of his checks and all that good shit. Made our way down to Alabama, stayed with a couple folks, homies. Shout out Tyler, Ashton, what y'all doing? Anywho, after that, we made our way down to New Mexico, or over to New Mexico. Met a couple homies there. What up, Lucia? What up, Sia? No. Anywho, after that, we didn't like that shit. It was too dusty. So we made our way back to Florida. Here we are. Follow me on Instagram. Hello Gabi TV. Gang. Don't put the gang in there because that's not part of it, but it's Hello Gabi TV.
Maybe you're talking too quiet.
Hello Gabi TV on Instagram. Spelled hello normally, Gabi TV, all in one fucking letter or word.
Right, this is day 2 on our trip in Tallahassee. I feel always weird looking at the camera. I'm always like,
day 2?
well, it's technically day 3.
2.5?
It's like day 2.5. This is day 2 of actually doing something. And we're at this little park. I keep looking away from the camera because I feel so awkward looking into it. It's like, I have to keep trying to imagine that there's people in here that are listening to what I'm saying. Alright, people in there. Fuck you. Alright, but we're at the fucking park here. And it's beautiful. We're about to cook some Spam for breakfast because I really like Spam. Some good shit. And then we're gonna go explore this park and show you what it looks like on day 2 of our adventures.
God damn it. Yeah, we're about to cook up some Spam. Actually, here's our ingredients right here. There's bread, another loaf of bread, another loaf of bread, some salt and vinegar chips, some fucking BBQ, great value brand, because that shit's good. God damn. Here's here. Spam. Got some mayonnaise. We got this here.
You didn't want to smack that.
Don't eat that, though. How do you this shit? Right here. See this right here? the goddamn pan.
Fuck.
But anywho, that's what's for fucking breakfast.
Alright, well, here you go.
Eat it, don't eat it, whatever. He's going to get the pan. Because you kind of need that for a grill. But I guess I'll bowl with y'all for a little bit. I don't really know what to talk to y'all about. I guess I could show you. Oh, there's poison. There's poison. But there's some pretty flowers out here. You can barely see them. They're orange. They're orange. What the fuck? Ooh! Probably shouldn't have done that. But yep. There's little trails out here. All the way over there is like a little fountain. Water thing. So what you're gonna have to do, that's what he just did.
That's all you gotta do. That's what I just did.
Pans to make her dance. Alright.
Alright, Spam is an excellent meal to make on the road because it comes in a can. And it's excellent. And you just throw it on here and it's cooked. Thing is, no one will tell you this. Only master chefs. You use this.
You have a whole knife there. Why'd you bring the knife? I guess if you don't have a knife.
In case this doesn't work. You use this as your knife and you put it right there in the can. Just fucking. Doom. Cut. Alright, but I'm using the knife because that sucks.
That's ugly. That's his piece.
But if you need to, you can do that, I guess. I've done it before when we didn't have a knife.
Yeah.
I guess I gotta even this out now.
And that's your second piece.
Don't ever handle a knife the way I do. Because this can't be safe.
Facing towards. Stab it towards your face.
Okay, now it's even.
Slice it, I guess. I don't know.
That's Gabi's
stab. Piece. Yeah, right, bitch. I'm a big girl. I gotta eat. I stepped in poison. Hopefully I'm not just out of nowhere allergic to that shit. With my luck, probably so.
But here's the trick to perfect slices, though.
It's not minding that it hurts.
You only take out the Spam as far as you need to cut it. And you just run right along the rim.
Give it a rim job.
Boom. Perfect fucking slice of Spam right there.
Mmm. Mmm. You're doing the most.
Fuck it. Or you could just take it out and cut it like a normal person.
There's 3 different ways that you could do this. Pick your poison.
Yeah, but this one, I don't want to risk cutting the pan either. But fuck it. If you don't care about your pan, I guess you can cut it inside the pan. Or I could have got the cutting board.
But then that's another dirty dish.
I think your framing sucks.
What? I don't want to.
You got pure pan.
Well, they need a close-up.
There's been a close-up this whole time. Welcome to my cooking show. Oh, here in the jungles of Tallahassee. Alright. Now that our canned mystery meat product is cut up, all you really gotta do is turn on fire. In no time, we'll be eating some fucking sandwiches.
Oh my god. Sick. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh shit, hang on, get that action. You got it?
Oh.
We'll do that in slow-mo. We'll fix it in post.
That's how you fucking turn that shit on and slice that shit up.
Hey, bro? You are?
We need a plateau though.
Fuck.
Cause I'm not placing nothing on this goddamn table.
I'll get that too.
I may go get the plateau. I'm not sure. He might get the plateau.
You should go get it.
I'm gonna go get it. I'm going to go get the Pop-Tart.
Chicken.
I'm so happy about it. Sponsor us. Hellman's real mayonnaise made with cage-free eggs. Richard Hellman. I'm a spam critic. This right here. This right here. Shit. It's not bad. It could use a little tomato, lettuce, cheese.
Touchdown Stone Cold, another little White Castle burger with a little onion, with a little meat on it.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Oh, pleasure meeting you out here in these fucking woods. That's crazy. All right, well, here we are.
It's a brand new day, no time to waste. Let the birds be your body, sunshine your face. I smile and wave, but my eyes are laid to the party that you started with your childish grace. It's a brand new day, no time to waste. Let the birds be your body, sunshine your face. Smile and wave, but my eyes are laid to the party that you started with your childish grace. See, there's this girl named Stella who kinda stole my heart away. She keeps the pistons moving, shit, I thought that she was hard away. Anyway, tough as nails, never have to say it twice. Always end up having conversations on the latest nights. And even though we're miles from the closest beach house, the sand's beneath my feet and I'm engrossed in these clouds. Close to me now, my broken beat down, devoted hearts not just open, keep out.